In this video, I will show you Starlink versus Telstra, which is better. So firstly, Starlink. It is a high-speed internet around the world and it claims to connect at home or on the go. Starlink is meant for businesses and power users. So they claim that they are reliable, high-speed internet designed to keep the business connected. Their connectivity where you least expected it. You can go stream, video call, online gaming, remote working, and more are now possible in even the most remote locations, thanks to the most advanced internet system along the world. The pack includes a built-in Wi-Fi router, lower power consumption, DC power input, and max downloads speed over 100 Mbps. And you can get online in minutes. Starlink is meant to be set up with just two steps. It can be plugged in and you can point at the sky. Or the instruction can work in either order. You can point at the sky and plug it in. Starlink requires an unobstructed view of the sky, so you can just download the Starlink app to determine your best install location. Starlink believe that there should not be contracts. Long term contracts prevent both you and Starlink from making sensible changes when necessary. With Starlink, it is fair deal both ways. Starlink can adjust terms and pricing as needed, and you can cancel at any time for any reason. Now, Starlink is engineered by SpaceX, which has deep experience with both spacecraft and on orbit operations. Moving on to Telstra, all Telstra NBN plans come with smart modem with smart fix. It is included for use. You can get an internet connection that can repair itself. You can have reliable connectivity. Their modem switch to 4G backup in an outage to help you keep online. And there are 24/7 network monitoring, so stress less with cyberbullying or cybersecurity that blocks millions of threats every single day. Telstra home internet plans include a modem for use, so you can choose your no lock-in internet plan, similarly to Starlink. So overall, based on reviews submitted to the website, this is how people view both companies. Starlink rates higher overall than Telstra does. Starlink is more highly recommended than Telstra. Starlink rates higher for reliability than Telstra does. Telstra and Starlink have pretty similar ratings for customer service. Starlink rates higher for value for money than Telstra does. And Telstra and Starlink have pretty similar ratings in terms of technical support. So the advice on which is better is up depending on you. You have to decide how fast your connection needs to be and how much data you need to use on your broadband plan finder to narrow down the list of plans and find the best plans that suit your budget. You have to choose the plan that best suits your needs and budget. Remember that you can easily change plans, but changing broadband internet providers is more difficult, so it is really important that you choose a solid internet provider. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helps you out.